So I'm Mohit Nagori. I'm a director of a company known as Osswal Infosystems Pvt. We are basically practicing SAP solutions. We are doing it from last 10 years now. The journey is, as of now, is very phenomenal. It's very good. It's with all ups and downs, but at the end, it is something which I like, and it's the passion that of SAP that makes me drive this business, this practice, and this journey. Out of the last 10 years journey that we have with SAP, Unicorns is involved from last 5 to 6 years. The amount of business that we're looking at, the practice we're looking at before and after Unicorns, if you can just see our own numbers, and it should be, I think, somewhere around 5 times or in some year even 10 times. When we came with UBS, we get to know that in different other wars, it was only some of the team members that were driving this business. Whereas UBS, the channel business is being driven by management, and that is one of the most important part. The second part was the others who were driving the business were more driving as a distributor business. But this being the service industry, distribution in servicing is quite different. It's through value addition, it's through knowledge transfer, it's through collaboration, and that is all what main reasons that makes Unicorns a very different entity. The third reason is we more think that how we can make the practices more scalable, how can it be more vertical, and then make them sustainable so that together we all can grow. Point number 1, don't think Unicorns as just a supplier. Make them as a collaboration partner. Second point, don't make the things cloudy, make them very crystal clear. I've experienced it myself. The more I started sharing my leads, the bigger deals, the bigger experiences, the bigger prospects, my funnel, that all sharing has helped us to grow and conquer that challenges. The third thing is start demanding from Unicorns. Demand your support for marketing, demand your support for resources, demand what all challenges you want, and they will do that. So if I suppose these things are done, anyone can have a big and sustainable practice.